so today's vlog I will be doing what's in my skincare, which skincare products I bring on my travels, and makeup that I bring on my travels. Okay, anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for my makeup and skincare routine, I usually bring this red bag with me. So whatever I fit in here are the only things that I bring. So whatever fits, that's it. Like if I wanted to bring more and it doesn't fit in here anymore, I try to make a way to fit them. But if it just doesn't, then I have to take something out. So yes, because I've learned throughout my travels, I've usually packed more than I needed, and it's kind of like a waste of space. Each travel I learned to like take something out or like try something new to pack lighter. And so far this bag has worked for me. It's actually not a makeup bag, it is a lotion bag from Crabtree and Evelyn. It's like the pack of lotions that were in here, and I just took them out and used it as my skincare and makeup bag, and it works. And so anyways, let's get into which skincare I usually bring with me. So first is my cleanser. Usually I bring my small Tatcha, a travel size Tatcha cleansing oil, since that's my favorite to bring with me because it's tiny, but I ran out and I didn't have time to like just go to the store and buy it. So I've decided to bring my second favorite, or actually the one that I've been using lately. It's the Remove My Clearance. There you go. But yeah, I use this as my cleanser and makeup remover, and it does wonders. Like, I don't need to use anything else besides this, and it works for me. I've never broken out at all. So yeah, so I just brought it with me. And the next would be my travel size moisturizer. So this one is a Lancome. It actually came in a set. I haven't actually been using this, and I've decided, since it's small enough to fit in this bag and I needed a moisturizer, I just decided to bring this. So these are the only thing, cleanser and moisturizer. I didn't bring no vitamin C or no essence whatsoever, just these two. So now let's get into the makeup part. So the makeup part takes more space than I actually, yeah. Let's get started. So today I brought, for my foundation, I've actually been using this. It's called Temptu. It's a Temptu airbrush. It's this with the AirPod, and I am in 5N beige. Unfortunately, I did not bring the charger, so I said, just in case I run out of battery, I brought my favorite foundation, which is the Chanel Aqua Lumiere. Sorry, I can't say it, but I love this thing. It has an SPF 15, and I've been using it daily. Sometimes I use it for work, but most of the time I use Temptu. Like for my past travels, I've only been bringing Temptu. But there was one time that I almost ran out of battery and I had no foundation, so I said, this time I have to bring a backup, which is this. I mean, it would have been easier to just bring the charger, but anyways. Oh, and then I brought my primer. It's from Boxycharm. I've been using this now since I got it. Since this is tiny, it's small, and it fits right here. Next is my concealer. Favorite concealer. The NARS concealer, and I am in medium ginger. I love this concealer. Sometimes I just wear this underneath my eyes because, like, as you can see, I have dark circles right here. I sleep late. I work at night. Anyway, I always bring this with me. Like, I never ever forget this. I brought the eye primer by MAC. It's the Painterly. There you go. The lid is broken, but yeah, I love using this as my eye primer for shadows because I feel like the shadows goes on smoothly and they last longer. So yeah, I brought with me this time Morphe Eye Shadow Palette. This one is also from my Boxycharm, and they're all like neutral and summery colors, if you can see that. And I said, well, I haven't really been wearing eyeshadow, so maybe it's time for me to wear eyeshadow in Punta Cana. Why not? At least one eyeshadow palette with me that I could use, like, you know, during daytime and nighttime. And of course, this is also from Boxycharm or Boxyluxe. It's the Tarteist Pro Glow bronzers, highlighters, and cheek palette. So you guys have seen this on my unboxing, so I brought this with me instead of bringing like 3 separate things. I just thought I'll just bring a whole pack with me, and they fit right in this bag. And then last but not least, I brought with me my Fix Plus. I love this, so I've always brought this with me. It just makes your makeup look better and stay longer. And of course, I brought a sponge just in case I need it for my foundation, and also I need it for my concealer. I usually use my sponge with the concealer. Oh yeah, and then my eyebrow pencil. This is also from Boxycharm. Like, I've actually not bought any makeup recently. I've always been getting my skincare products and makeup products from the Boxycharms or Boxyluxe. And then that's it. And then this is just a hair product I used. It's a leave-on conditioning spray for my hair. Protects from humidity, I guess. And then of course, my makeup brushes. I put them all in this plastic bag. I actually have to take them out. So each time I use them, I just take them out. I just bring with me whatever I need. Before I usually bring like the whole like Sigma bottle, travel bottle thingies, but then I said I don't need that much. Sorry, I'm fixing my shirt again. And it just takes a lot of space, so I've learned to do it like this. So whatever fits in here is all I bring. And yeah, and that's it for me. And then one lip liner. So those are the things that I have for my makeup and skincare bag. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and at the same time, let me know what you guys bring on your travels as well. Maybe I'll learn something new, or maybe I'll learn to not pack something and pack something else instead. So that's it, guys. My next video would be what's in my travel, or my next would be what's in my carry-on bag. You'll see what's in there. Okay, bye guys.